In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a React project on your Windows. So this is really simple. First of all, you need to make sure that you have Node.js installed in your device. So in order to check whether you have Node.js installed or not, just go to your Windows search bar and here search for cmd, the command prompt, click here. Then you need to type this node minus or dash git, then press enter. And if you have Node.js installed, then it will show you the Node.js version. And if you do not have Node.js installed, then you need to install Node.js. So in order to install Node.js, just go to your browser, then search for Node.js download, press enter, and here go to this link, Node.js. Then also go to that link, you will see something like this. Just click on this download option, then it will take you here. And here you can see Node.js version is sitting here, and here you can see Windows. So here you can see pre-built installer. Just click here, pre-built installer. Then it will show you the download option. If you are using Windows, you can choose Windows. If you are using Linux, macOS, or anything else, just choose that option. And make sure that you choose the latest version, not the current version. Okay, just choose the latest version and then just download that version. So since I already have a Node.js installed, so there is no need for me to install Node.js. So I will assume that you already have Node.js installed. And also you have Node.js installed, you are ready to create your React project. So let me just go to my folder here. And in the folder, let me go here, new volume D. And here we are going to create our React project. So for it, I am going to say here cmd, then press enter. So it will open a command prompt in the new volume D directory. So here we need to write a command which is npm create vite at the rate of latest. We need to write this command npm create vite at the rate of latest. Then we need to press enter. Then it will say that you need to install the following packages, which is this one. So here you need to say here while, then press enter. Then you need to give a project name. Let's say my project name will be React project. You can give any name you want, just give a name, then press enter. Then you need to choose which kind of project you want to create. So here we need to choose React because we want to create React project. So you need to use your Windows arrow key. So here you can see it is selected React. After that you just need to press enter. Then which on you want to use, TypeScript or JavaScript. So we want to use JavaScript. Again, just use your Windows up and down arrow key. Go to JavaScript, then press enter. And there you go, our project is created. So right now we need to go to the project directory. So we are not in the project directory, but our project is created. Here you can see React project. If we just go on there, here you can see here more than created over here, which is called React project. So right now we need to run this command cd react project, then press enter, and it will take us to the project directory. Or you can go to the project directory another way, and that is, let me just close this on and go over here, go inside the project folder, and we'll go at the top. Then we say here cmd, press enter. And here we are going to say npm install because we are already in the project directory. Here you can see React project. So we'll say npm install, then press enter. So it will take a few minutes. So right now I will just fast forward the video. And then you can see it is done. So after this we need to say here npm run dev, then press enter. And there you can see it will show us a link. So we need to copy this link, then go to our browser, paste it here, then press enter. And there you can see Vite plus React, which is created. So right now let me just go to my project location. Here we have some folder. So let me just open this using Sublime Text. So I'm going to search here Sublime Text and click on file, then open folder. Our project was in volume D and our project name was React project, which will be here at the end. Here you can see React project, select it, then select folder. So here you can see that if you want to edit it, we need to go to the source, then app.jsx. So if we just go to our code again, Then if you go to source, then app.js, here you see some code. And here you can see count, which is basically this one. Here, if you click on it, the count will change. Let's say we want to remove this part. So let's go back. And here you can see click on the vite React logo for more. If we just remove this, we can add a few more things. For example, let's set our age on that. Let's say here testing. If we now save this, then go back, it will say here testing. And one more thing, that make sure that your npm run dev is always running. Okay. So yeah, this is how you can install React. I hope this was easy for you to understand. If you have any question or suggestion, just let me know in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.